Welcome to Residential El Tigre, one of Nuevo Vallarta's most prestigious gated communities.
Welcome to Casa Vista Lagos 21 in one of the most exclusive area, El Tigre.
This beautiful house with 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, furnished and move and ready, offers over 3,400 square feet of construction on a spacious lot of more than 5,700 square feet, delivering the perfect blend of elegance, comfort, and convenience. Beyond the property itself, this residence is located within a secure gated community offering 24-hour security and a wide range of amenities: barbecue area, landscapes garden, terrace, pergola, pet-friendly space, fire pit, and refreshing pool with sitting areas. This beautiful house with 5 bedrooms and 6.5 bathrooms, furnished and move and ready, offers over 499 square feet of construction on a spacious lot of more than 5,371 square feet, delivering the perfect blend of elegance, comfort, and convenience. Living here means more than owning a home. It's investing in a secure, privileged lifestyle. This residence combines thoughtful design with modern amenities, making it the perfect choice for those seeking luxury and comfort in Nuevo Vallarta. The fully equipped kitchen features granite countertops, premium appliances, and direct access to a service room and laundry area. The living room, with its double high ceilings, is filled with natural light, creating an inviting space for relaxation or entertaining. Upstairs, you'll find a versatile space currently used as an office, along with the 3-bedroom, complete with its own bath, walk-in closet, and views overlooking the backyard and pool. Beyond the property, El Tigre offers a world-class lifestyle, a championship golf course, private beach club, fitness center, sport facilities, and vibrant community atmosphere. Just 15 minutes from the international airport and only 30 minutes from Puerto Vallarta lively downtown, home the famous Malecón nightlife and culture attraction. El Tigre also enjoys proximity to top restaurants and everyday convenience.
If you like this property, give it like, subscribe, and contact us. Thank you for watching.